This is pre-production of the new side sensor, but I want to give a quick demo of how it mounts. What you want is to put this just above the fender well of the car, and that'll put it right in line with the mirror and just easy to see. But the mount itself will fit to any garage rail, and you just snap it on, boom, and it is on there really good. And then you'll see these slots here, and all you have to do is just put that slot on. Now finally, you can see with every garage rail there's always a difference between your wall and the garage. That's why we have this slotted, so you can put it even with the door. In fact, you might even want to put it a little bit outside, so if you do hit something, you're going to hit this instead of a wall. But that's all you have to do for setup. Finally, you just bring your car in until your mirror's close to this, hit the set button, it's going to memorize that, and now it'll always tell you whether you get a green, yellow, red, and it will give a siren if you're going to actually hit your mirror or the side of your car on the garage door.